Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. May mga importanteng balita ngayon mga kababayan. Di ba kanina, may pinapakalat po si retired General Romeo Pocis na isang colonel ng Armed Forces mga kababayan, Philippine Army, ang nagpahayag sa social media ng withdrawal of support sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ngayon, nag-react na po yung ating Armed Forces. Ito yung balita ngayon. Philippine Army officer was stripped of his duties after allegedly posting a statement online where he withdrew personal support from President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Sabi po ng mga military officials as confirmed ngayong araw na to. So sabi dito sa report ng Manila Bulletin, fracture within the armed forces. Army Colonel relieve after withdrawing support from Marcos. Ito yung post kanina mga kababayan ni Romeo Pocis. Colonel Odi Mungao, PMA 92, a soldier of conscience willing to sacrifice everything for the love of his country. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Ayan mga kababayan yung unang post niya kanina, 7 hours ago. Ay ito mga kababayan, si Colonel Odi Mungao. Di ano niya yan, Mr. Maravillas, talagang magkakatuluyan na. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung mangyayari. Alam naman natin na may active attempt yung kampo ng mga Duterte. At the other day, nagpa-press-con, di ba, si Chavit Singson na nananawagan siya, mga kababayan, para sa tinatawag niya na one-time, big-time protest rally. And malamang mga kababayan, parte ito, mga coordinated efforts. Alam naman po natin si Chavit Singson na pabalita na funder, di ba? Nung una sa mga protest rallies, at parte dito na gusto nilang mangyari ay yung withdrawal ng support ng armed forces para sila magtagumpay. So, hindi mawawala yung possibility na baka ginapang ito yung mga sympathetic po sa previous administration ng mga military officials. Tulad nito mga kababayan ni Colonel Odi Mungao, baka ginapang po. Di ba? So hindi malayo, but ibigay ko muna sa inyo mga kababayan yung balita. Diretso po na shinare na naman po ng mga DDS influencer, si Kificho, nagsimula na. Tuwang-tuwa sila, hoping na magtagumpay sa kanilang mga mithiing maitim na mithiin sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Porsigido iopo mga kababayan si Sara Duterte. Tingnan natin kung magtatagumpay sila mga kababayan. Ito yung balita. Nag-withdraw umano ng suporta si Armed Forces Colonel Odi Mungao kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Biyernes, Enero 9, 2026. Kani-kanina lang. Sa isang Facebook post ni retired Air Force General Romeo Pocis, ibinahagi niya ang umano'y deklarasyon ng pagbawi ng suporta ni Mungao kay Marcos. So pinick up na po ng mainstream media yung balita. Kanina, post pa lang ito mga kababayan ni Pocis. At may isang online TV page mga kababayan yung nag-carry ng balita. Yung 1TV media page po. Ngayon, with that report, si Philippine Army Commanding General Lieutenant General Antonio Navarrete, nilagay po itong siya as a reaction to the post ng Colonel po. Nilagay itong si Colonel Odi Mungao, commander ng training support group under attached unassigned status. Immediately, madaling sabi po, nirelieve, tinanggal po sa kanyang posisyon. Siyempre, command responsibility ng commanding officer. Itong colonel na nag-post ng ganong uri ng pahayag, withdrawing support sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ayan, which means that he is temporarily relieved from his current post and does not have an active assignment while remaining on the payroll. So sabi dito sa balita po, by the direction of the Commanding General, Philippine Army Colonel Odi Mungao was immediately relieved
from post and put into the attached and assigned status to give way for a thorough investigation by the training command ng Philippine Army. Sabi po ni Philippine Army spokesperson Colonel Louie De Maala, Monggao reportedly posted a statement on his social media which was interpreted by some as a withdrawal of support from Marcos. The post allegedly read, I, Colonel O.D. Monggao, am withdrawing my personal support to our President and Commander-in-Chief, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Enough is enough. The Filipino people are worth fighting for. Ito nga po yung naging post niya, mga kababayan, as shared by retired General Romeo Pocis. Sabi niya, Assalamualaikum, warak matulalahi, to Allah wababarako. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon us all. Effective today, Friday, January 9, 2026, I, Colonel O.D. A. Monggao. Tapos yung number niya, mga kababayan, assigned number. Philippine Army is withdrawing my personal support to our President and Commander-in-Chief, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Sobra na, tama na, the Filipino people is worth fighting for, mabuhay. So pinakalat ito, mga kababayan, ni retired General Romeo Pocis na nauna na pong sinilbihan ng warrant of arrest for inciting to sedition and rebellion. Inaresto siya, mga kababayan, sa NAIA upon arrival mula sa pagbakasyon sa ibang bansa. Ngayon, on bail lang siya kaya siya nakalabas. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya sa panggagatong ng destabilisasyon, mga kababayan. O ngayon, siguro na kumbinsi nila itong isang colonel na to na nasa active service, ayon, nirelieve po dahil sa pagpapahayag ng ganon. Bawal po yun sa kanila, political dapat po, non-partisan, ang isang active member ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, pati po sa PNP. So isa siyang violation ng kanilang oath sa trabaho bilang mga sundalo. Di ba po? So malamang sa malamang yung ating theory na baka ito po ay ginapang ng kanilang mga kaalyado, yung mga gustong atat na atat nang iupo si Sara. Baka may mga may mga promises. Alam na ninyo, kapag ganyan nakaupo si Sara, kayo naman yung bida. Di ba po? May mga ganon. And with that, ito po yung action ng Philippine Army. The Philippine Army said that Monggao will face administrative charges and may face court-martial for violation of Articles of War, Article 96, or conduct unbecoming of an officer and gentleman, which carries a penalty of dismissal from service upon conviction. Other possible violations will still depend on the result of the investigation, sabi po ni Di Maala. Si Major General Michael Lohico, commander ng Philippine Army TRACOM, said Monggao has been on a New Year's break prior to his relief. Ito yung post niya ngayon, mga kababayan, 59 minutes ago. Major General Michael Lohico, Philippine Army Commander, TRACOM. So sabi niya sa kanyang post, Colonel Monggao is presently assigned with Training Command, Philippine Army, and is currently on New Year's break status. My command has exerted all efforts to reach out to him, but has so far been unsuccessful. Effective last night, I have relieved him from his post as Commander Training Support Group and is now placed attached and assigned Office of the Commander Training Command. Investigation is underway to determine possible administrative and legal charges that may be imposed upon him in relation to his online statement. Nonetheless, we are still reaching out to Colonel Monggao so that we may extend to him emotional support. He is still my responsibility. The Philippine Army remains professional and steadfast behind our mandate, loyal to the Constitution and the chain of command. Sabi po ni Colonel ni Major General Lohico.
So personal lang po yung ginawa. Mga kababayan, personal withdrawal, wala man siyang hakot. Although siyempre, bilang isang commander, ang iniingatan dito yung sympathy. Lalo, todo ang gatong mga kababayan ng kampo ng mga Duterte.
Yan ang sabi ni Kipicho, nagsimula na. Ito naman po, isa pang DDS columnist si Malo Tikia. Nanggagatong din mga kababayan, sabi niya sa kanyang post ngayon lang po. Colonel Odi Manggao, Munggao, active Armed Forces, Philippine Army. When an active officer makes the supreme sacrifice of his 34 years of service, then the break in the chain of command becomes palpable. Colonel Odi, di kita kilala pero ang tapang ng ginawa mo. Saludo ako sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa sakripisyo. Mag-ingat po kayo at sana maalis sa kapahamakan ang inyong pamilya. Kahit yan ay personal na withdrawal, malaking bagay na tumayo kayo at nikiisa. Sana mayroon pa na sumunod sa inyo. So malinaw na gatong.
So dapat pati ito mga kababayan ng mga DDS influencers isama sa investigasyon. At isama mga kababayan sa dapat na kasuhan ng inciting to sedition. Ginagatungan nila yung gulo. Di ba po? Yan ang malinaw.
So ito yung mga reaksyon ng mga netizens, mga kababayan. May the good Lord enlighten him, sabi ni Dan Balandra. Sabi ni Jose Batalier, dishonorably discharge him. Then he can indulge in partisan politics all he want. Sabi ni Ronan Castillo, mali pa din siya as active member ng Armed Forces, nagpapagamit sa politics. Sabi ni J. Batumbakal, court-martial offense yan, I think. Sabi ni Lab Lopez Ador, ISAP should monitor the active Armed Forces personnel as I noticed a few of them who shared fake news in black propaganda online. Sabi ni Mike Lohico, si General Lohico, he is a senior officer and he understands the weight of his actions. Sabi ni Norman Peña, he could have resigned from the Armed Forces before he aired his grievances and sentiments. No senior officer should do this while still wearing the brass. First, he get out of the system that provides for you before you damn it to your heart's delight. Not only he understand the weight of his actions, but he is also ready for its repercussions. Sabi ni Dencio Alejandro Antonio, I think he is retirable, being a member of PMA Class 92. If this action of his calls for his discharge from the service, how could he support his big family? Sabi ni John Corpus, masyado lang yata matalas ang aking pakiramdam na pag PME year na walang dangal ay may mag-friend request hindi ko tinatanggap. Pinatunayan ni Munggao, Pokis at mahaba ang listahan including a 3-star general na kagaya ni Odi. Matagal nang walang dangal. The country does not need them. Ipunin sila dapat as sa February 7, they shall go through the walk of dishonor rendered by honorable alumni in cadets at Borromeo Field.
Walang nakuhang suporta mga kababayan. Other than siyempre yung mga DDS gigil na gigil. Gusto talaga nila gatungan ang mga kasundaluhan natin na mag-withdraw ng support sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. But anyway, nirelieve na po pala. And I think mahaharap siya sa isang court-martial mga kababayan dahil sa kanyang ginawa. So ito yung abangan natin mga kababayan sa mga susunod na oras. Yan lang po yung ating short video. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.